Okay, welcome back. In this occasion, we will build a parametric model that can automatically generate multiple size version using a design table inside Word. Just click and click on. Let's build a simple L bracket and control it with height, thickness, hole, and fillet in actual. Okay, just click sketch. We want to start with line. Click front line in this time. Draw it from the origin point like this. L bracket and set the dimension for width. Set in 100 millimeter like this, and for height it is 60 millimeter like this, and we can just adjust the sketch fillet in the edge of the point like this, and just click sketch fillet. Click this point, and this point. That parameter for example is 10 millimeter, and click OK. And we want to make a hole, so we must do sketch a circle in here. Just click circle, draw for this point, and this point. I want to make 1 2 3 hole, and then we can set the dimension for the hole. Decimal is 7 millimeter. So we can do set dimension same too. Just click in keyboard, just click control and right click and click make equal. So automatically the diameter on two hole in here is same is 7 millimeter. And after that we go to the feature to make the bracket have a thickness. Just click extrude boss direction, choose a plane, and the thickness. For example, this bracket have 5 millimeter, and just click OK. Okay, we just make a simple bracket like this, and we can to change the color. For example, is green, okay? Green bracket like this. It's simple bracket. And after that, we can go to annotation, click right click, and click show feature dimension. And the dimension is appear for the part. And then we click this icon and choose or click view dimension names. Okay, the dimension name is view. Okay, this. We want to make a name dimension the for the design table. Just click this, double click. The first is wide width of the bracket. So we can give the name is WB because width bracket. Okay. And in here is high bracket. We can double click. The name we can change to HP or H bracket. In here the thickness bracket we can give the name TB or T bracket or thickness bracket. And in the fillet is FB or F bracket or fillet bracket. Yes, and the last is the hole in here or circle. We can change CB or C bracket and click OK. After we change the name of the dimension, we directly to go to menu, click the insert and choose the table. Click Excel design table. and ensure we select the auto create and just click OK, and automatically the is dimension appear in here and the table action in here. Okay, SolidWorks will ask which dimension to include. We want to select all dimension. Okay, this like this and click OK. Okay, the table of Excel we can to make more white here, and the first column we can draw. We can change of the name the part. This part we want to make the name is bracket 100 by 60, because this bracket have width 100 and height is 60. We want to make multiple size, different size with the same table, so we can do like this. And for example, I want to make 5 bracket. For second bracket, we want to change the width and the height bracket. For example, it is 120 by 70. This and another bracket we want to make 160 by 80. And next bracket is 180 by 90, and the last bracket is 200 by 100. So you can see in the another second of the column, you can see WB. WB is in here. Is width of bracket. So in here we can fill with bracket here and in the second bracket. It's 115, 20, 160, 180, and 200. And the HB is high bracket here, so we can fill 70, 80, 90, and 100. And for the FB, we can to adjust in here in the fillet bracket. We want to make another fillet in another bracket. So for example, it is 12, 14, 16, and the last fillet is 18. And CB is the C bracket, circle of bracket or fall of bracket. The first bracket we make is diameter 7 millimeter, and next we want to make different diameter. For example, is 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and 14 millimeter. And the last is CB. CB is thickness of bracket in here. The thickness of bracket, the first bracket we make is 5 millimeter. The another bracket we can to make a variant is 6 millimeter, 7 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and the last is 9 millimeter. 7, 8, and 9 millimeter. And if we fill the all table in the column, so we can just click out and close, and automatically the design table generated the following configuration. Just click OK. We can check in the configuration manager. Double click in here. We can see the bracket, the variant we made before. For example, we can we just to double click bracket 200 by 100. You can see here the weight of the bracket is changed. The bracket and here it is the first bracket we make in double click here, and each variant of bracket we make with the same table Excel in SolidWorks. For example, you can check the another bracket 160 by 80. Double click here, and automatically the fillet or circle or hole and the thickness is changed, appropriate with the number we can fill in the actual design table. We can save table on edit the table if we want to change of dimension, and we can to save all the configuration part. Just right click here, okay, and default path. Click default path. You can see save configuration here. Checklist the all. Checklist all. Bracket. Okay. And save selected. Just click OK. We can give the name of file. For example, is practice table practice bracket is the same table like this. Just click save. Automatically the configuration of is saved in our file. We can hide the name of diameter and the diameter. Just click in there, hide all types. Okay. It's simple. We can check. We can close in here. We can check. We close in. Don't save this part. We can check in here. Open. We can click the bracket, this bracket, and double and open. And it is the 5 bracket we just made in with the design table. Just double click to check the number. Okay, I hope this tutorial help you to practice SolidWorks, especially for beginners. That's how we make a fully parametric SolidWorks part using the same tables, fast, flexible, and perfect for variant product. For product variant. Like, subscribe, and drop your question below. See you in the next tutorial.